Alrighty, Nick, here's your 427FE. Your description is combination. We've got a set of our new heads on it, custom grind solid roller. We've got your oil pan, manifold, everything there, all ready to go. When we make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Peak torque 507 foot-pounds. Looks like it peaks horsepower 460, so everything's good. We'll pull the pipes back to make sure it's good and clean. Show you a couple things. When you see the engine, find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card. It's full of technical information. In the crate will be this packet. It'll have your engine spec sheet. Have lots of information on there. Highly recommend reading all that. Have a great day.